Here we are, the second round of the blizzard. A few days after the first one, here we are, we have another one. Still snowing, but this is our deck. There's the grill again. The table and chairs are barely visible, as is most of the deck at this point. We're hoping it doesn't collapse on us. There are a couple chairs. There's our trees again. Blowing a little bit more this time. Leaning a little bit more towards us. Look at the top, it's all ice covered. Look at that. We're supposed to get another foot of snow today, so we'll see what happens.